Question 5 of 2025 Mathematics Paper 2, Grade 12 is saying, show that the points, these 3 points are collinear. So we're just showing collinearity here. And yeah, there's no problem. We're going to solve. Okay, so to show collinearity, the word collinear, it means lying in the same line. Okay, so let me just draw a simple line here. So we have 3 points. We have point R here. You can say, let's put this as point A and point B. Okay, and we are given the coordinates. Okay, here the coordinates are 2, 1. Here the coordinates we have 4, 7. Here we have 7, 16. Okay, these are the coordinates. Now we want to show that these are collinear. How do you do that? Okay, there are different methods, but I'm going to show you, since this is collinear vector, we're going to use vectors. Now, remember that every vector has what? Has the origin. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This point R here, this point R, let me just write in column form. R here is the same as origin is OR. Okay, OR is equals to, I'm going to write in column form as 2, 1. This one here is OA rather. OA, which is 4, 7. I want you to follow me nicely. Okay, then this B is not BO but OB. All right, it's different. So 7, 16. Now, to show collinearity, we're going to say vector RA times a certain scalar of factor is supposed to be equal to AB. So vector RA is equals to times a certain scalar K is supposed to be equal to vector AB. Okay? Now, let's prove this. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. See, they all have the origin O. So let me just show an illustration. Let's put O here as the origin. And we have 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is where R is. And let's say this is where A is. And let's say this is where B is. Okay, like this. So since they all have the origin O, R, O, B, O, what's this? O, A, O, B rather. So this is the direction of the vector. Okay. Now, look at the formula. We want to find R. We need to find RA and AB for us to prove that these are collinear. So RA, need to find this, and the AB, this one. So to find RA, origin is R here. We're going to move RO plus OA. Okay, we're going to say RO plus OA. Okay. Now here, RA, vector RA is RO is RO. So here we have OR. So RO is opposite. So the signs will change. So the positive 2 becomes negative 2. The positive 1 becomes the negative 1. Okay. Plus OA. We're not moving in the opposite direction. It's not AO but OA. So here we're going to maintain as 4 and 7. Okay. So we have RA is equals to, what is negative 4 plus negative 2 rather plus 4 is just positive 2. Negative 1 plus 7 is just 6. So this is we have found RA. Let's now find what? AB. Let's find the what? AB. So AB, let me use this party. AB is equals to, check, AB. So it's good even to draw this sketch because it's helping. AB, you're going to move, you can either move O plus OB, but no. Let's just use shortcut. AO plus OB direct. AO plus OB. Okay, vector AB here. AO is opposite of OA, which is this one. So this will be -4, this will be -7. Plus OB is OB. We're not moving in the opposite direction. This is 7, this is 16. Simple mathematics. AB is equals to -4 plus 7 is just 3. -7 plus 16, same as 16 minus what? The same as 16 minus 7, which is just what? Which is just 9. Okay? So here we're going to write 9. Okay. Now, this is what you do. Having found the RA and AB, you need to find the scalar K. Okay? Let's substitute. So we have RA, this one, RA is equals to K AB, like this. What is RA? Is this one. 2, 6, 6 is equals to K multiplied by AB, which is 3, 9. Okay? So we have 2, 6, like this is equals to K times 3, it has to be 3K. K times 9, it is just 9K. All right. Now here we solve for K. Now this is what you do. This is very simple. Let's first start with what is on top here. 2 is equals to 3K, 6 is equals to 9K. That's what we do. So here we're going to say 2 is equals to 3K. Then this side you have 6 is equals to 9K. Let's solve for K. Here you divide by 3, even here by 3. So K is equals to 2 over 3. After doing whatever we're going to do here, so we should find the same answer, 2 over 3. Okay, divide by 9. K is equals to, so we have 6 over 9. This can be reduced because we have a number which can go into both numbers, 6 and 9. That's 3. 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 9, 3. So we have 2 over 3 as what? As the scalar, okay, factor. So having this, so we can say therefore RA is equals to, what is K? We've found K. So we can substitute with 2 over 3 times AB. This is the thing, okay? You have shown collinearity, and this is the answer. All right? So we can say, since RA is equals to this over 3 times this vector, okay, and they share the same point, this is collinear. Okay, so you have shown. This is the answer. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have enjoyed how I have explained this, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have not subscribed, that's if you've not what? Subscribed. Okay, this is 5B. Let's go to the next question.